Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know if somebody has blocked you and how can you know about it. So for that case, open up a Viber application first of all. So first thing what you have to do is you could go to your Viber group chat and look for the contact that you suspect. Now this case only applies if you have a group chat, and check to see if a message was seen after some hours or not. Now check if the person is active in a group or if he replies to the messages but not yours, then you've been blocked. Apart from it, what you can also do is you could just go ahead and open up their profile. When you open up their profile, you could see that their profile has been, or that the DP has been removed. This also indicates that you might have been blocked. And apart from it, you could also go and open up the chat page, and if you have a very limited text, or previously if you had a very lengthy text and now that it's in a very limited section, or that the chat has been completely erased, this means that you might have been blocked. Now these are not all the direct indications of blocked. The person might have also deleted the Viber account. This can also be the case, or else what you can do is you could try contacting the particular person, let them know about it. You could try contacting them through a different phone, and you could see whether they are active in Viber or not. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.